Who's got this? You got this. Who's out here cracking up? You. Is there anybody else like you? No. So go kill that. I wrote a web series called The Misadventures of Awkward Black Girl, and also wrote a TV show called Insecure. Stop. Oh, shit. And the only difference between those two is money. I'm gonna share with you all of my struggles and show you step by step how I made the transition from the internet to television and film. In this class, I will teach you how to collaborate with other people, how to build characters, how to structure a pilot, and how to get your stories out there. You have to know where you want to start. I wrote the phrase, I'm awkward and Black, and I was like, that's what I've been this whole time. Hey! I'm gonna give you my blueprint for how I wrote my pilot using 4 categories: character setup, conflict, setting up your series, and why today, that dreaded network question. I'm a firm believer in writing what you know. You have to tap into what's around you and build from that. You wanna steal your friend's stories and then all of a sudden they're watching an HBO show and they're like, what the f***, that's me. Then that's okay. When I pitched Awkward Black Girl to a network exec, he suggested a celebrity actress who wasn't considered awkward at all. It was just upsetting and clear to me that he did not get it. And I had to be comfortable walking away from that. If you know the story you want to tell, if you know your characters like the back of your hand, no one can take that away from you. There's an audience for you. Narrow down the one idea that you want to pursue right now and do it. I'm Issa Rae, and this is my masterclass.